Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are on, well, this is Nick, I'm Nick. We're every day with me, Nick. We're on a new little job site here, and we've got the Chinese mini digger in the background there. We are doing a little bit of a garden base prep for a gazebo that I'm going to make out of wood that I was milling the 6x6s way back in earlier in the year, and they've been nicely drying. They need processing at some point soon, and yeah, we've got this in here. We are going to be digging a 6x3 meter, well, 3 meter wide, 6 meter long, pad out, path down here, and then into a return, like an L-shaped return into there. We're just waiting for the skip to come to take all this broken concrete away, and yeah, it's not going to be much work for the Chinese mini, but it'll just make life a little bit easier. We're going to mix all the concrete by hand as well. We're going to use the bull float to float it off nicely, and yeah, should be right good. But I thought I'd just give you a little quick video before the skip comes, because once that comes, we'll be all manic and works. You know, we know what we're doing, so we'll just get on with it. So yeah, that's about it really for now. So until that happens, we'll see you when that happens. See you when the skip comes. So welcome back everybody, and like I say, if you're new, well, check out my other videos. If you're returning, thanks very much. Right, we'll see you all in a bit. guys, well that's it for today. Well, I'm broken. We've had rain, we've had sun, we've had overcast. It's been nice actually, but that sun has beat us. It's just beat us into submission today, and I don't know what's brighter, my head or my t-shirt. I wish I could get some more of these t-shirts. I'd wear these as work tops, or high vis shall we call them. But no, we've had a grand day today. We've got this base down. We're a bag short, one dumpy bag short of hardcore, so we're going to have to order that up and get that. I'm going to get that tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to get that tomorrow. But yeah, we've got shuttering up down the side here. We've got hardcore packed down with a whacker. It's done a good job. Like I say, we're just in that far side. Where are we here? Far side up there. That we're a bit shy, so we're a bag short. So by the time that gets put down, we'll Thursday. This is Tuesday today. Simon's unavailable tomorrow. I've got some brickwork to do tomorrow. But as soon as Simon's available on Thursday, we're going to get an early start. I want to get cracking, and we want to get. I think we've got 2.5 metre cubes of concrete to hand mix and pour in ourselves. I'm going to stay with it. I'm going to get it floated off with Marshalltown bull float, and yeah, we should have a good finish. So yeah, it's been fun, guys. It's been fun. It's been hard work though, but it's been fun. So we will see you on part 2, which is the concreting. So see you next time. Alright guys, well I've well and truly gone and done a boo-boo on you. For your information as well, this was the same top, however I have washed it to come back to this job with. Because you know, who wants consistency? So, I've only gone and done this bloody concrete slab without you guys. What? I know, completely forgot. We started at 8 o'clock this morning and just cracked on, and now I'm just waiting for this bit to set off a bit up here. Just this bit here, a bit too wet still to trowel. Just see what I mean. There's a couple of little marks in there. I'm going to let that go off a bit and then go over it. But yeah, other than that, she's gone alright. There's a couple little low spots, but I ain't worried because Gazebo's going to cover it. But yeah, I can't believe I did that to you guys. Absolutely gutted. But anyway, we used six dumpy bags, 6 bulk bags of ballast, and whatever, 5.5 bags, 5.5 cement bags to a dumpy bag. So work that out. It did rain, or it is raining, one of the two, and it's bloody left a couple of little dinky bots, which is really annoying, but I can't go over it now because it's set off. It's set off real well actually. So if I had a power float, would be doing it, but I don't have a power float. So yeah, it's looking real well, guys. So sorry I didn't bring his along, but you know, this customer, we need to do the right job for the customer, don't we? So we sometimes we forget about you guys. But anywho, thanks very much for watching. Sorry guys again, but yeah, we'll see you next time. Every day with me, Nick. We're in darkness, but yeah, see you next time, guys.